Good morning, students. In the earlier lecture, we discussed about the implementation of inclusion. Today, we will discuss about the role of various professional for children with special needs. So, सबसे first professional we will discuss about the counselor. What do you mean by a counselor? The advice, help, and guidance given to any person to remove his difficulties is called as counseling, and the person who is giving advice is known as counselor. The role of a school counselor is to help all students, including those with special needs, to achieve their full potential. Introducing an appropriate individualized education program at any early age can make all the difference, not only the children academic learning but in their emotional health, social adjustment, and ultimately in their ability to become productive contributing members of society. So some important services of school counselors are: identify the students who should be assessed to determine eligibility of special education. स्पेशल एजुकेशन चिल्ड्रंस को असेस करना, काउंसलिंग सेशन विद स्पेशल एजुकेशन स्टूडेंट्स, collaborating with other school and community professional, not only limited to teacher, school physiologist, physical therapist, occupational therapist, speech and language pathologist. So a counselor has the main role to assess the students with special needs who needs to be counseling. So this is the main role of a counselor. The next professional we will discuss about the occupational therapist. Occupational therapist means the assessment and treatment of physical and psychiatric condition using specific purposeful activities to prevent disability and promote independent function in all aspects of daily life. कुछ ऐसे स्पेसिफिक पर्पसफुल एक्टिविटीज़ के द्वारा जिससे एक पर्सन को इंडिपेंडेंटली अपनी डेली लाइफ के फंक्शंस जो है प्रमोट हों, जिससे इंडिपेंडेंटली वो अपनी डेली लाइफ के फंक्शंस कर सके, सो उसे बोलते हैं ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपी. इट असेस द फिजिकल, साइकोलॉजिकल एंड सोशल फंक्शंस ऑफ इंडिविजुअल, identify area of dysfunction, and involves the individual in a structured program of activity to overcome disability. ऐसे कुछ फंक्शंस को एसेस करना जिसमें किसी पर्सन को, किसी स्टूडेंट को डिफ़िकल्टी हो रही हो, उसको एसेस करके कुछ स्ट्रक्चर्ड प्रोग्राम में उसको जो है एक्टिविटी कराना जिससे उसकी डिसेबिलिटी ओवरकम हो सके, बाहर आ सके. So, an occupational therapist helps in Divyang in following areas. The occupational therapist will design and implement programs with appropriate strategy in order to enable the child to maximize her potential. Occupational therapists in school collaborate with teachers, special educators, group programs, implement individual or group programs, provide counseling and support classroom activity. So occupational therapist works in all activities, works in all area of a student that helps to overcome his disability. Activity of daily living like dressing, feeding, grooming, toilet tasks. So also environment manipulation like handling switches, door knobs, phones, TV remotes. So activity of daily living may be they are helping the child. Occupational therapists provide services to individual often with physicians, social workers, psychologists and other therapists. Occupational therapy is provided to develop the basic motor skill of the children. For example, gross motor skills. Gross motor skills are those movements of the large muscle in the arms, legs, which develop the ability like rolling, crawling, walking, running, jumping. And fine motor skills are those small muscles of hands and fingers which develop the ability like in hand manipulation, reaching, carrying, shifting small objects. So occupational therapy जो है all motor skills को develop करने में एक student की help करती है. So the next is uh, physiotherapist. What do you mean by a physiotherapist? A physiotherapist is a health professional trained to assess and treat a variety of conditions that affect the physical functions of adults and children. Physiotherapist is a clinical health science and profession that aims to rehabilitate and improve people with movement disorder by using natural methods such as exercise, motivation. So physiotherapists who are trained particularly to work with children and adolescents are pediatric physiotherapists. There's physiotherapists study medical science subjects such as anatomy and physiology to develop skills and attitude necessary for health education and prevention. The practice of physiotherapist involves, इसमें कौन कौन से फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के मेन वर्क आते हैं? मॉनिटर टू चाइल्ड प्रोग्रेस द प्रोग्राम एज द चाइल्ड improves, develop and grows. Assess the issue that is most often the physical state of the mind child. Organize and practice the slow pace exercise like walking and swimming for the child. Help the families to understand the child problem and to teach parent the skill to develop the child ability to perform everyday tasks. So this is the main works of physiotherapist. I think the role of these three professionals are clear to everyone. Thank you very much.